Hey, in this video, we are going to learn how to create an affiliate program with ClickFunnels. So in order to create an affiliate program in your ClickFunnels, you need to have a sales funnel, which includes an order form and order confirmation page. Also, in order form, you should have an active product in your products tab. So in your order form, you need to create a product here. So after completing the order form step and product step, you have to create two extra steps for your affiliate program. The first one is affiliate access page and the second one is affiliate area. So first we can create affiliate access page. So affiliate access page is the page where your affiliates can log into your affiliate portal. So this is the page we are going to assign it for affiliate access. So click create funnel step. So after creating this step, you need to go to this affiliate tab and choose affiliate access as the template. Now we need to choose a template for login page. So these are the default templates we have. So I will choose this one column sign up. So click select template. So let's preview this page. You can see this is the sign up page for your affiliate program, where people can sign up to your affiliate program, and if they already have an account, they can use this login link. So this is the affiliate access page, and in affiliate access page you can see two URLs. The first one is the login URL and the second one is the secret sign up URL. So login URL is the URL you need to give to your affiliates to log into your affiliate program, and secret sign up URL is the URL you need to give to your affiliates for them to register to your affiliate program. If you are onboarding a new affiliate, you have to give this secret sign up URL for them to sign up for your affiliate program. And if someone is already an affiliate, you have to give this URL for them to log into your affiliate portal. So now we completed the affiliate access step. So the next step is to create the affiliate area. So I will create a new step. Click this add new step. Then click create funnel step. So this is the step for affiliate area. So go to affiliate templates, then choose the affiliate area as the template, and I will choose the default template for affiliate area. So now we created the affiliate area. So you can see for creating an affiliate program, we just need two pages within a funnel. That is affiliate access and affiliate area. Affiliate access is the page to login, and affiliate area is where they can see the commissions they earned. And then if you create any marketing creatives for your affiliates to use while they are promoting your product, then they have to use this affiliate area. So click edit page to start editing your affiliate area. So this is the affiliate area we need to design. You can upgrade the logo here. This is the element where the affiliates can generate their affiliate link. This is a section where affiliates can create a custom affiliate link. If you have more than one sales page or more than one order form and you want to create custom affiliate links for each of these pages, then you can use this element. If you go to settings, you will be able to add custom affiliate links for each of your page. Suppose I want to create affiliate link for opt-in. I will add it here. Then you can just add the link of your affiliate opt-in page. Then sales page 1, I will add the link to my sales page 1 here. If you have another sales page, you can give it a name sales page 2, then add the sales page, second sales page link here. Then if your affiliate want to directly link to your order form, then they can create another affiliate link. So just put the URL of your order form here. So that's the use of this custom affiliate link element. And this one is a small stats of how much unique visitors they drive to your funnel, then how much unique buyers, then the amount of total commissions they earned, etc. And we can add more elements here. So if you click this plus icon, you will see affiliate elements. These are the custom elements that is currently available for our affiliate area. if I want to add an image asset, that means if I want to give banners for my affiliates, you can use this image asset. You can see, so you can just edit and place the URL here so that your affiliates can download the banner you are giving away. Then if you want to send them email swipes, that means email content they can send to their subscribers, then you can use text asset, and you can just click and just edit the headline. Then you can just edit the text here so that your affiliates can copy this and send it along with their email to their subscribers. So this is how we edit the affiliate area. You can, after editing, you can save it. Similarly, if you want to update the affiliate login page, then you can edit affiliate access page. You can just simply click this edit page and you will be redirected to the edit page for affiliate access. You can just click the gear icon and change the image. You can just add text here, etc. If you want to change the button color, you can just click the settings and change the button color. Then if you want to change the background image, go to settings, go to background, and you can change the background color as well, and you can save it. So this is how we edit the affiliate area and affiliate access page. So after creating affiliate access and affiliate area, you have to go to your backpack section to create the commission plans. So go to backpack, then go to dashboard. So this is the dashboard of backpack, and the two sections we need to update are commission plans and affiliate types. So commission plan is the option where we add how much percentage of commission we need to give to each affiliate. Affiliate type is used to categorize your affiliate. For example, if you have two types of affiliates, one type of affiliate is getting 25% and the other type of affiliate is getting 50%, then we have to create two types of affiliate. So first we can start creating affiliate types. So go to affiliate types and click add affiliate type. In this case, I need to categorize these affiliate types into two. The first one is newbie affiliates, which will be getting 25%, and the second will be premium affiliates, which will be getting 50%. To add affiliate type, just give a name. So this case is newbie affiliates. So create affiliate. Then the next is premium affiliates. Click create affiliate type. So now we created two affiliates, newbie affiliates and premium affiliates. So the next step is to go to commission plans, where we assign a percentage to this affiliate program. So I will create a new commission plan. So this will be test affiliate program. You can give any name. Now click create commission plan. You can choose currency, etc. So we created this affiliate program. Now we have to view this affiliate program and we need to add affiliate types. So I'm going to add newbie affiliates and premium affiliates to this affiliate program. So click add. So for newbie affiliates, I'm going to give 25%. So I will put 25 here. So the next option is months before payout. This is the how much interval you want before paying out your customer. So I want to pay them monthly, so I will put 1. Then click, I put 1, then click add affiliate schedule. So now we activated the newbie affiliates for this test affiliate program. So the next one is premium affiliates, where I want to give 50%. So I will find the affiliate type, premium affiliate type, click add, and I want to give them 50, and that should be percentage. Then the interval will be 1 month. Add affiliate schedule. You can see I have activated newbie affiliates and premium affiliates for this test affiliate program. So now we completed adding the commission plan. So I want to give away 25% to newbie affiliates and 50% to premium affiliates for this particular affiliate program. Now we have to go back to our funnel and assign this particular commission plan to the funnel. So now we are in funnel settings, and you need to go to the funnel settings then scroll down and you will see a section called backpack. So just enable this backpack, then choose the commission plan from this drop down. The commission plan we created is test affiliate program, so I will assign this test affiliate program, then scroll down and update save and settings. So this is how we set up our affiliate program in ClickFunnels. So after completing the integration, you can start giving away the sign up link from this secret sign up URL and login link from this login URL section. And to manage the affiliates and commission, you can go to your backpack setup and go to this commission section. And also to manage your affiliates, you can go to this affiliate section.